All right, so I'm interrupting this mid-video. I'm literally in the middle of doing this video for you guys, but I didn't do the intro. So, hey guys, hey girls, hey boys. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a video where you get unready with me, but I'm using this new iPhone Pro 11 Max. I've seen so many videos and the quality is so amazing. I was like, you know, I have to do one for my channel. So if you're interested to see the quality, what I think about it, get unready with me. I'm literally mid get unready with me. Oh, this is so bad. I should have done my intro in the beginning. Then I suggest to keep on watching. But before we start this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so you're notified every single time your girl posts. And without further ado, let's just get back into the video. Alright guys, so I wanted to film a video using my new iPhone 11 Pro Max. So I just got it in the mail and girl, this camera quality, this is the selfie camera, so I know the backside is even better, but like I can't see if I film that way. So for this video, we're gonna do selfie camera. Maybe in another video I'll do the opposite, but yeah. So I already have my makeup done, so I was like, you know what, let me just do like a get unready with me, because I'm about to go to bed, or like my day is pretty much finished. So we're just gonna do a little skincare routine at night and also try out some new products because I got some new skincare products. So we'll see how this goes. But I am shook. Look at this quality. You guys, you could just start your YouTube career, your vlogging career on this camera right here. This is freaking bomb. Am I centered? All right. So I'm going to start off by taking my makeup off using these Kirkland Daily Facial towelettes. You guys know the drill with this. My go-to. Little thumbnail moment. All right. Okay. So yeah, I'm going to start off by taking my makeup off using this Kirkland makeup wipe. You guys, I am so freaking shook. So I was like, you know what? I'm not going to get the new iPhone. I don't need it. But then I started to see the camera quality and I was like, girl, you know how many pictures I take like on the daily? I have like 10,000 pictures in my phone right now. Like I live for pictures. So especially with Instagram, and I'm trying to be like this YouTuber influencer, you gotta have the top of the top quality. Oh my god, my skin just looks so freaking like it's like Facetune in a video without the Facetune. Anyways, no one needs Facetune, but you know. So we're just gonna do this. I watched Katie's video and that video freaking sold me. She filmed the whole tutorial on her iPhone 11 Pro Max. Such a long word name, whatever. But oh my gosh, the quality, I was like, I need it. I freaking need it. The only thing I heard about filming on this iPhone is when it comes to editing. I edit on my laptop and I heard like transporting it is kind of annoying. So you guys don't have to see that part, but I will. All right, so now that majority of my makeup is off my face, I'm gonna go to the bathroom and wash it off. I'm not gonna take you guys with me because I don't have a case for my new iPhone yet and I don't wanna drop it because it's expensive. Okay, so I'll be right back. All right, so I'm back and I felt like being bougie, so I put on my little silk robe. These lashes with these brows ain't it. Oh my God, I look like I am bald. All right, so I already went to go wash my face. So because I have eyelash extensions, I like to go in with a like, what's it called? Like makeup remover, micellar water, and get a Q-tip. Put this makeup remover onto the Q-tip and then pretty much clean as close to the lashes as I can. You see that? Look, I thought I got all the makeup off. I was wrong. Lots of makeup. This is very important because you don't want your makeup to get like backed up on your lash extensions because that's just like bacteria, you know? So now for the next step, I'm going to be toning my face. This brand called Good Molecules actually reached out to me and wanted to send me some products. So I'm gonna be testing them out. This is a brightening toner right here. And the bottle is actually freaking huge. I used it last night. So this is my second day using it. And I mean, I haven't really noticed a big difference. It's only day 2, but the packaging is cute, but it also looks like it's kind of like medicine. So I don't know. I'm gonna take a cotton pad and just apply the toner. The only thing is it comes out kind of slow, but who cares? The product comes out. And just start by wiping this. It's cool because when they reached out to me, she was like, what's your skin type? Because she wants to send products that were for my skin, like not just any skincare product. She wants to make sure it targets my problems, but I don't have any problems. I told her I just get really oily in my T-zone and I want to try to focus on minimizing my pores. What is that? I used a new foundation today. Okay, anyways, so yeah, so she gave me like a brightening toner, and then the next product right here, it is a serum, and I told her again that I wanted to minimize my pores. So she gave me the serum, and it says formulated with 10%, I don't know how to say this name, but 10% of this product, whatever, niacinamide, and then it says to refine skin texture and minimize pores. Again, look at this packaging. Super cute. Oh my god, you see that iPhone focus? Girl. Okay, so I used a stick foundation today, and I haven't used that stick foundation in months, and I think my skin did not like that. Okay, never good. Anyways, okay, so I'm gonna take this serum, and pretty much I'm not gonna put it all over my face. I'm just gonna put it where the areas that I feel like I have the biggest pores. So it's like right here on the center of my cheeks, and definitely on my nose. Like my pores are on my nose. Just gonna rub that in, and maybe on my chin, have a little bit right there. All right, and then I'm gonna take my Morphe fan my face. That's freaking wild. It's not even big, but like, what? So now for the next step, I go in with my Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream, and I just apply this under the eyes, like so. And again, of course, use your ring finger because it's the most gentle. You guys, I'm gonna cry. I mean, I shouldn't be exaggerating, but like, I don't break out, and it's, and then whatever's left over, kind of just like put it onto the eyes. Okay, so now for my moisturizer, I'm using the Ole Henriksen Sea Rush Brightening Gel Cream, and I just apply that all over. This stuff right here just makes my skin look and feel so hydrated. Like, look at my face. The shine is real. And what do you know? Fan face again. And then lastly, I will go in with this spray right here. It's kind of just like, I don't know what it does. I got this at Ipsy's event. They gave it to me. And I kind of just use it just to set everything, all my skincare products, like so. It literally just feels like water, so hydration. All right, guys, so that's pretty much my skincare. I'm gonna pause this and then start another video in the zoomed out mode. You're gonna be shook. All right, so I can't see what this looks like because I had to turn the camera around in order for you guys to see the zoom out mode, but like, I look like a minion. But yeah, you guys get the point. It's pretty crazy what this new iPhone quality camera could do. I'm a little shook, but I'm excited to amp up my Instagram feed. Again, follow me on Instagram because that'll be a lot of fire content with this new iPhone. So yeah, I just wanted to do a get unready with me. I literally just wanted to film something. I just got this in the mail probably like an hour ago, set it up, and I was like, I gotta film. So I hope you guys enjoyed this fun little different iPhone quality test out video. I usually don't do reviews like on phones like this, but everyone's doing it and I was like, I have to try it. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment down below what you like to see in the future. please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to my Angel's channel, which is M&A Forever Ever. Stay blooming, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.
We dancing.